Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about dictionary comprehension. As of now, we have seen list comprehension, tuple comprehension, sets comprehension. In dictionary also, we can perform dictionary comprehension. So let's go to our code editor and try to understand this dictionary comprehension. So guys, you can see here I kept one image for this particular dictionary comprehension. So this is the same the way actually you did for the list comprehension, tuple comprehension, set comprehension. Only the thing you have to play with the key and value, okay, every time, because the dictionary you are defining, if you just do the iteration on top of it, it will give you key and value. Okay, I think I showed you this particular part. I think you remember. So let me first of all show you one example. See, this is the program actually will be writing with the help of dictionary comprehension. So here the program I have to write, print first 10 numbers and their square root. So first of all, what I have to do, first of all, I have to print 10 numbers, okay, 1 to 10. And I also need to print their square root. Okay, let's say 1 is the first number. And what is the square root of 1? If I just perform, let's say square root of 1, it will give me 1. Now let's say second number is 2. Now what is the square root of 2? It will give me 4. Okay, so that's how I need to perform till 10. Okay, and I have to store them in a key and value pair. Okay, so how to write this particular program? So for this, I'll define a dictionary. Inside that, I'll just write for I in the range. I'm going to generate actually 1 to 11. That means 10 numbers it will generate. Fine. Now what I will do, whatever I'll be getting, I'll just print it here. Okay. And I will also print the square root of this particular I. Okay, square root of this particular I. Now if I execute the program, you'll see that this is the 1 and this is the square root of 1. This is the 2, actually 2, and this is 3. This is the squares of 3. This is 4. This is square of 4. Okay, that's how. Now you can see till 10 actually I perform all the squares. Okay, now you can see I have stored these are the data in a key value pair. Okay, this is my key, this is my value. That means the number is my key and the square is my value. Again, number is the key, square is my value. Okay, that's how I can store in a key value pair. Okay, so with the help of this particular dictionary comprehension, you can write this particular program in a very easy manner. Fine. Now we can also use if condition inside dictionary comprehension as well, as I already showed you in the list comprehension. See, here I will be writing another program. So this is my product dictionary. You can see phone. I'm having actually 10 phone. I'm having 0 laptop. I'm having 32 charges. I'm having 0 laptop. See, I'm going to write a program which will print the key which is not having 0. Okay, 0, let's say value in this particular key. Let's say that means if any product is having 0, it won't be printing that particular product. And if it is not 0, it will print that particular product. Okay, for this, I'm going to write one dictionary comprehension. I'll take a dictionary comprehension and here I'll just write for a key. I can write like that, for key value in product. Okay, product dot items. So I think you know what item will return you. So let me show you. So if I take a new cell, if I just write product dot items, okay, product dot items. So what it will return you? Sorry, it should be okay. Product. I have to first of all execute it here. So let me just copy. And now if I execute, see, it will give you all the items. That means the keys as well as the value. Okay. Now see, if I perform for loop on top of it. So for, let's say I, or let's say I'll just write key and value. Okay. In product dot items. Now if I print this particular, let's say key and value. Now if I execute, see, inside key my key is coming, inside value my value is coming. Okay, so that is why I'm writing this particular code like that, for key comma value in product dot items. Okay, this will give you the key inside key and value inside value. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now here I'll just write a condition. If this key, okay, if the value, because I want to check the value, if this value is 0, I won't be printing that particular product. I'll just write if value, okay, if value is greater than, okay, if greater than 0, so what I'll do, I'll just try to print it here. I'll just write key comma value. Okay, key comma value. Now if I execute, it should work. See, now it is printing the product which is having more than 0. Okay, more than 0 actually count available. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now let me delete this particular cell. Now apart from that, you can try with lots of example. You just pick up different example over the internet, okay, and you can try, okay, with this particular dictionary comprehension. We can also use zip function here. So let me show you another example. Let's say this is my list here, two list. I'm having days and I'm having temperature. So let's say this is Sunday. With respect to Sunday, this is the temperature. With respect to Monday, this is the temperature. Okay, that's how I'm having some list here. Okay, you can see I'm having some list. Now if I want to print, let's say Sunday is having 30.5 degrees Celsius, Monday is having 32.6 degrees Celsius. Okay, if I want to print like that in a key value pair, I can use this particular zip function and this dictionary comprehension, let's say concept. So let me show you. So here I'll just write for I, j in zip. I think you know what zip will do, right? Zip will just make a actually pair. I'll just give days and I will give temperature, okay, here. And now I want to show as a key value pair. I'll just write I, j. Okay, I, j. Now if I execute the program, you'll see that it will give me Sunday. This is that actually Celsius. Monday, this Celsius. Tuesday, this Celsius. That means it will only, that means it will do the map operation. Okay, it will store the data in a key value pair format. I hope this part is clear now. Fine. So yes, this is actually about our dictionary comprehension. I hope you got it. The same thing we have learned inside our dictionary, tuples and sets as well. Fine. So yes, this was all about from this particular video. Thanks for watching.